Welcome, today in front of me Honor 20E and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So we can do it by the two ways. I'll show you both, and the first one, you should go to the settings application. Now just tap on this home screen and wallpaper section and just go to the wallpapers, and here, as can you see, you can select your new wallpaper from the gallery or from your device photos previously taken, or from the downloaded, for example from the internet photos, or also we can go with the just default ones. For example, we'll tap here on this wallpaper, and just to set this wallpaper on your lock screen, tap here to OK and tap to lock screen. Wait a couple of seconds while wallpaper setting on your lock screen, and now we'll check. Yes, can you see, we just set successfully the new wallpaper on our lock screen. And the second way, you just should hold for a while your screen, and here you will see the wallpaper icon on the left down corner, and by the same way you will launch the wallpaper settings, and just by the same way you can select, for example, this wallpaper, go to the with the lock screen, and now we'll check. As can you see, that's really simple. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.